Hi, how do you produce the most amazing colour in your succulents? This is Senecio amaniensis, and it's one of the most beautiful and most popular succulents that we grow here at Coachwood Nursery. My name is Ruth Donnelly, and I'm very excited to show you how on earth you can get the most amazing colour in your succulents from your succulent collection, or to even help friends or family. This is exactly the same plant. This is another Senecio amaniensis. Why are they so different? So this is what we teach in our beautiful workshops that we have once a month, where the succulents that we study are just quite rare and unusual and unique. And so the colour that you can get in your succulents with the right information is just amazing. Here's another example. This is a Ripsalis. It's really quite a dark pink, and yet sometimes it can also look completely green. Here it is growing out of another pot of this crassula. It's completely green. Then how do you produce that amazing colour? Here's another example here. I get asked this question a lot. A lot of people buy this Aeonium Schwarzkopf, which means black, and they get it home and maybe a month later it's just mostly green. How to maintain and produce the best colour in your succulents is a fantastic thing to know, and we'd love to share that with you.